welcome back to another vlog. Today I figured I would just take you along with me. We are going to be DIYing a mirror. It's one of those like curvy, wavy mirrors. I want to put it in our living room. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just ran to the car. So we're gonna be doing that today, but first we're gonna go get some breakfast and coffee and go grocery shopping really quick. To be eating healthier. I'm going to try to heal my gut because lately my stomach just feels like so bloated and horrible, and like obviously since the pandemic our bodies haven't been as active as they used to be, especially now I work from home and I'm not walking around as much as I used to in the office because I didn't want to sit at my desk when I was in my corporate environment, so I would constantly be going for walks and like getting up, and I definitely don't do that now, but now that it's getting warmer I want to do that more. So I wanted to get tons of healthy foods, things that are going to heal my gut. Let me show you a little bit of what I got. I am not a health expert, but if you are kind of trying to do the same thing, maybe we can do this journey together. I don't know if this is interesting to you, if you want me to put it on my YouTube channel or like put it on my Instagram, what I'm doing, what my workouts are, what I'm eating. Let me know in the comments below if this is interesting to you, and then I'll do more health related vlogs. But like I said, I am not an expert. The first thing that I've been doing and loving is I've been making my own green juices. So this green juice is cucumber, kale, lemon, ginger. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, and just water. We are stocked up on kombuchas. I got some fruits, got some kimchi. This one is more mild, this one is spicy. Some vegetables, I have some cucumbers here, strawberries. I also got this red cabbage and carrots and beets. So this is like pickled or fermented, sorry. And then some sauerkraut as well. I also have some more kind of salad bits here. Kale, ginger, more cucumbers, some kefir, which I love to have for breakfast with my berries and hemp seed. Just trying to like put good things into my body when I can and where I can, because I do love food. So like on the weekends, I'm eating. I also got some green apples, and I've been actually loving coconut milk as like a snack at night. And I know that sounds weird, but like I really want something sweet at the end of the night, like after dinner, but I don't want to have like processed sugar and like cookies and all that stuff, as much as I would love to have that. That's where I'm at with my health journey for now. Trying to work out as much as I can, but that's not what this vlog is about. This vlog is about DIY, but if you want to see more health and fitness vlogs, let me know in the comments. We're back from Home Depot. We decided to get, oh.
Thanks for all that.
We decided to get part of a board instead of wood. So we're gonna see how that goes. Get that protection. Oh, I need to put my hat on backwards because they don't fit. Oh, this is a look. I look like Kyle from Summer House.
Yeah.
splotchy. I feel like it's not gonna work.
Okay. You want to look at paint then?
Yeah. We went to Home Depot again. Got some paint because the spray paint didn't work. This is the color we ended up getting. I think it was called BFF by Bear. Yep. Really similar to this. Whoa. Yeah, I like that color better. We're gonna put the mirror over where that mirror is, so it kind of goes with the exercise machine, the vibe of the living room, like all the colors. That's a mess, just don't look at it right now. But I feel like it's gonna look really cool in this space, especially with like the pink flamingo wall. Okay. Cool! That's gonna look so cool at night. I mean, it's not perfect, but nobody's perfect. I'm gonna end the vlog here. DIY light, pretty much a success. Sorry, I have to use my phone because my camera is dying. I don't know what's going on with it, but thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my tag right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.